So before jumping with a practical approach, let me go to the Jupyter Notebook. The entire program we will do of NumPy in a Jupyter Notebook. So I am creating one new file, a new Jupyter file, which this is a IPYNB file. So I will directly give you this file. I will place this file on my Jupyter notebook. So let me start quickly. Why this NumPy came? Suppose we have a two list. One list is distance, and it contains some distance value in a kilometer. The values may be 10, 15, 17, and suppose 36, and your time will be 0.30 minute, 0.47 minute, and 0.55 minute, and suppose 1 minute 26 second, 1.26. And these are our two list, distance and time. This is our two list, and if we run this, then it runs successfully. If we want to calculate the speed, so we know that speed is equals to distance divided by time, and we already created two array or two list above in the line cell number 1. So if we execute this, then it is given, it is providing some error, that is unsupported operand type. So what does it mean? It means we cannot perform some mathematical operation using two simple array or two simple list. We can't perform this type of mathematical operation. So NumPy comes into picture here. So what we have to do for this? We have to import the NumPy library like this. Import NumPy as NP. NP is nothing, it is just a alias name that we are importing NumPy as NP. Then run this. Then after this NumPy imported successfully. Now what we, this is the distance and time. This is just a simple array. We need to convert it into n-dimensional array, NumPy array. So in NumPy there is no any concept of array. In NumPy there is a concept of ND array. Okay, so we need to convert this distance and time into NP array. So how we will do that? So I am taking the name as NP distance equals to np dot array. Np dot array, array is a method which comes from NumPy library, and we will pass the distance, the simple array. Similarly we will do for time as well, that is np time, NumPy time equals np dot array, and we will pass the time. Okay, run this. Now if we calculate speed equals np distance divided by np time, then print speed, we are getting the value. We are getting the value. So we are able to perform this mathematical operation using NumPy library. But if we are doing this simple mathematical calculation on simple array and simple list, then it is not performing well. It is providing, it is giving, it is throwing some X error. So for that purpose, for doing any mathematical operation, we have to import NumPy library, and we will proceed accordingly.